We'll start by turning on the car so we can turn the steering wheel. Turn the steering wheel one way and remove the screw. Turn the steering wheel the other way and remove the other screw securing the steering column cover. Insert your pry tool below the headlight switch and turn it a bit to make a little crack. Once you have that little crack, you can pull it down with your hand. Disconnect the vehicle's connector by pushing on the tab. Connect one side of the T-harness to the vehicle and the other side to the vehicle's connector that we disconnected. Route the T-harness below the lower dash. Look up under the dash next to the fuse box. You'll see the BCM. This is where we will connect the other T-harness. Push the tab to remove the BCM connector and connect the T-harness in line. Make sure you hear that click so you know it's properly connected. All we have left is the hybrid T-harness. This T-harness connects behind the glove box on the passenger side, so you'll need to remove the glove box door. It's the same procedure as to change the air conditioning filter. If you have any trouble, look in the vehicle's owner's manual under changing the air conditioning filter, or contact support at help@remotestartx.com. Connect the hybrid T-harness in line with the connector over here. Connect the hybrid T-harness to the main T-harness.